Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Tech Star. And today I'm going to show you some settings that many of you didn't know. And today I want to show you how you can use multi-windows on the same screen on your Android phone. Yes, it is possible. I can use multi-windows. What I mean by multi-windows is like you can put Facebook and WhatsApp on the same page, on the same screen, and then you view the Facebook page, and then you also view the WhatsApp page, like this one. Let me show you an example. Are you seeing like that one? That is WhatsApp, that is YouTube, and then you also you put here Facebook, like this one. So you can use you can use YouTube app, and you also use WhatsApp down. Now you can use Facebook, and then you get it. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how it works. No worry. So that's what I want to show you today. Right, so you want to do that. It is simple. Let us first go back, and then you just come to settings. You move down to system, and then you come to developer options. That's if your developer options are not enabled. If your developer options are not enabled, don't worry. Just press back. You come to about phone. To my phone, then you come to build a number. So no need, you are already a developer. Mine is already enabled, but just in case yours is not enabled, you tap on building number 9 consecutive times, and it will ask a password, so your developer options will be enabled. So if your developer options are enabled, just go back, and then you come to system, and you go to developer options. Yes, so developer options are already enabled. So what you do is you move down, you scroll down slowly. Okay, you move down. Okay, up to here. Are you seeing here where there is force activities to be resizable? So this is the simple setting that we are implementing that will be enabling you to use a multi-window screen on your Android phone. Yeah, so it will be off, turn it on. Force activities to be resizable. Hope you see it. Yeah, so you turn it on, and that's all. So you go back and you test. So when you open your tabs, like let's say I open the WhatsApp like that. Remember, when you open a page, it will remain in the background. Let us say I also opened YouTube. I also open YouTube, and I also want to use YouTube. It will open, and then you press back. So these pages will remain in the background. So what you do is you come and use this button here. So when you tap this button, it will show you the pages that you have opened. So you select which pages that you want to show on the multi-window screen. Let us say you want to use YouTube at the same time WhatsApping. So what you do is are you seeing this equal like sign? So you tap on it, that page will show up there, and then you come and select another page also. Let us say I want to use that is YouTube. Let us say I want to use this is WhatsApp. I want to also use WhatsApp. So you can use YouTube at the same time, or using WhatsApp also at the same time on the same screen. Yeah, so basically that is it. You just go to developer options. You move down to where there is force activities to be resizable, and then you turn it on, and that's all. Alright, thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video, and you turn on the notification so you don't miss out when I drop a new fresh tweak. Alright, stay tuned.